It's been set on fire, sunk in the ocean, smashed into a tree, dropped from the top of a skyscraper, and it survived. It has gone to both poles, down a mine, up the side of an erupting volcano, gone hunting for shipwrecks, and even gone to Hollywood. It's been called invincible, unbeatable, indestructible, tough, robust, a business partner, and even a member of the family. It has won awards, conquered peaks, and most importantly, captured hearts. For over 5 decades, through 8 generations, across 180 countries, the Toyota Hilux has redefined toughness and moved with the times. Get ready to experience an unbreakable bond as Hilux comes to India. Powerful, sophisticated, and built to last. With world-class engineering, enhanced safety, advanced technology, and best-in-class comfort. With this go anywhere, do anything vehicle. Every day will be an adventure and life infinitely richer.